Hello everybody, it's Pingu101 here back for another Battle Cats video. Ooh, Halloween art challenge. Okay. Sounds interesting, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Oh, I got an underling. It's even silver hat, which means it's probably better. Alright, anyways, let's just go back to Shaolin Kingdom. And let's go and look at those events. Those legend stages. I can get cats. I do want cats. I'm getting cats. Alright. Let's just go. Alright, let's see what this toaster does. Oh no, we've already got a penguin. Okay. The first thing I can tell, this was much harder than the first stage. He's on the base, are you kidding? Well, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'll let it tank and then we'll toaster him. There we go. Oh my goodness, the toaster's animation is so interesting, but it takes so long to attack. I think the castaway might actually attack faster. Yeah, but the animation's really cool, so I'm not gonna complain. Does it have area attack? Okay, it does. That actually makes it useful. I think its reload time is faster too. Yeah, I think it is. That's gonna be really good. And there we go, that's the boss. Yeah, we'll be fine. That was a lot of damage. We'll still be fine. Anyways, the rhino's gonna give us tons of money. Yeah, money! And the boss is gonna die. Oh, come on. Come on, stop attacking me. Wait. Hey, I think the toaster has quite a bit of health. Oh, there we go, that's the boss god. And that's victory. And I didn't get the cat. Alright, let's keep going. Nice music too. Oh, come on, already a boss. Ooh, this is difficult. This is actually a challenge. We'll let the bunny stack up and then miss entirely. Alright, that works as well. I need... Whoa, what is that? Black thingy. I'm not racist. It's just a black dog. It killed my toaster. Oh my goodness, this is difficult. Okay, our castaway's there. We're gonna be fine. The castaway died. Wait. Everyone's gonna die. Oh my goodness. We need it now. Toaster. Come on, toaster, come on. We're relying on you. There we go. Okay. Our castaway is still there. We have 2 dogs on our over there now, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything is gonna be fine. Everything's going to die. Well, that was difficult. No, I'm not restarting. Wait, wrong one. Oops. Yeah, I have to do this. I'm gonna have to do it. Alright, we're gonna do well. Yeah, we're doing great. There we go, it didn't even get to attack the third time or second time. Hey, new record. We just crossed that record section. Well, is it a record? It is. Well, it's upgraded to level 6 because I can't upgrade it any further than that. Well, that's embarrassing. Well, let's open that as well. Gross cat. Okay. Oh wait, no. Wrong one. Let's do this one. Wait, is it this one? Yeah, it's the one where it gives me something. Oh, I don't have enough energy. Do I have enough for this? I don't. I'll just do this one and then be done. Okay, this is easy. Yeah, there's literally nothing. Okay, it's a moth, but still nothing. There we go, the moth is dead. And there, victory is ours. So there's nothing else. There are these special units. But I think it's fine. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and I wish you guys a really good day. See you guys.